Unit 5 Market Analysis. Explain the classification of markets. Answer. We have understood that market is a place where selling and purchasing of goods or services take place. The following chart helps to understand the classification of markets. So market, it can be divided by on the basis of time, on the basis of area, on the basis of competition. So the first one is the time-based markets. It is divided into three types. First one is very short period or market on the basis of time. And the second one is a short period. Third one is a long period. Area-based markets. These also divided into three types. First one is local market, second one is national market, third one is international market. And competition based markets. These are divided into two types. First one is perfect competition, second one is imperfect competition market. So imperfect competition market, it can be divided into four types. The first one is a monopoly market, second one is a monopolistic competition market, third one is an oligopoly market, fourth one is duopoly market. And another question is that the 5-mark question in this chapter, what are the characteristics of perfect competition or features of perfect competition? So the following are the features of perfect competition market. First one is a large number of buyers and sellers. There exists large number of buyers and large number of sellers. They are perfect substitution for one another. Second one is the homogeneity of commodities. All the firms in the industry produce perfectly identical or homogeneous products. Third one is that uniform price. The behavior of any seller, any buyer will not influence the market price. Fourth one, free entry and exit. Any firm can enter in the industry as per its desire. Similarly, it can leave the production at any time. As long as a firm earns supernormal or normal profits, it usually stays in the competition. But when a firm ends up with losses, it would be leave the market. Fifth one, perfect mobility of factors of production. Factors of production are free to move from one firm to another one. This is also useful to free entry and exit of firms. Sixth one, absence of transport costs. Transport costs do not apply the prices of the commodities. Due to this, price of the commodity will be the same throughout the market. Seventh one, perfect knowledge of the market. It is assumed that perfect knowledge exists for both buyers and sellers about the market conditions. Every buyer or sellers know the price of the product. So next question is the 5-mark question in this chapter. What are the characteristics of monopolistic competition, or what are the features of monopolistic competition? And the characteristics of monopolistic competition. So monopolistic competition market was developed by Chamberlain and John Robinson. The following were the important characteristics of monopolistic competition. First one, less number of firms, less number of producers participates in production activity. No one producers control the total output in the market as a result of high competition. Second one, product differentiation. The product of each firm is not some way the other way differentiated from the product of the other firm in the market. Product differentiation may take the form of brand names, trademarks, etc. Third one, free entry and exit of firms. It will not have the power to restrict the entry of the new firms. New firms can be entered into the industry. It also exists the industry. Fourth one, competitive advertisement or selling costs. Firm will be spent on advertisement and increase their sales. The expenses are called selling costs. Selling costs and production costs are different. And fifth one, more elastic demand. The demand curve of the firm under monopolistic competition slopes downwards from left to the right. Next, another question is, what is oligopoly? Explains characteristics. First one is very few sellers of the product, interdependency, presence of monopoly power, existence of price rigidities. Fifth one is excessive expenditure and advertisement. The term oligopoly